This dance is called Never Drinking Again. It's a 32 count, 4 wall, beginner level line dance. Starting on the right foot, you're going to cross the right over the left, touch the left just behind the right, step back on that left, step the right to the side. And repeat with the left foot. So you're going to cross the left over the right, touch that right just behind the left, step back on the right, step the left to the side. That set of steps once more then. Step, cross, touch, off on that right. 7, 8. Cross, touch, back, side, cross, touch, back, side. Step forward on the right, pivot yourself a quarter of a turn to the left. Into a little weave. So you're going to cross the right over the left, step the left to the side, cross the right behind, step the left to the side. Then cross rock, right over left, recover your weight back on right, left. That set of steps once more then. Step pivot up on the right. 7, 8. Step, pivot, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, recover. Add those two sections together. Cross, touch, off on the right. 7, 8. Cross, touch, back, side, cross, touch, back, side. Step, pivot, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock. Take a big step to the side on the right. Hold for 1 beat or count. Then rock back on that left, recover your weight on the right. You're going to repeat that with the left foot leading. So big step to the side on the left, hold for 1 count, rock back on that right and recover. That set of steps once more then. Stepping the right to the side. 7, 8. Side, hold, back, rock, side, hold, back, rock. Let's add that to the top. Cross, touch, off on the right. 7, 8. Cross, touch, back, side, cross, touch, back, side. Step, pivot, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock. Side, hold, back, rock, side, hold, back, rock. To finish the dance, you're going to add on half a figure of 8. So you're going to step the right to the side, cross that left behind the right. Make a quarter turn right as you step forward on that right, making sure you have turned your whole body. Step forward on the left, pivot yourself half a turn to the right. Make a further quarter of a turn to the right as you step the left to the side, cross the right behind the left, step the left to the side. So you are effectively turning yourself all the way around and back on yourself. That set of steps once more then. Half figure of 8 off on the right. 7, 8. Side, behind, turn, step, pivot, turn, behind, side. Now, there is the equivalent of a full turn in doing that half figure of 8. Now, we always say where possible do try and put the turns into the dances because they look so much better when they are in there. However, if for whatever reason you are struggling to get that turn in, either in time to the music, this particular piece of music isn't that fast, or it's making you feel a bit dizzy or disorientated, there are some alternative steps that you can do. So your non-turning steps, should you need them, you start by vining to the right. So you step the right to the side, cross the left behind, step the right to the side. Do not turn on that step. Instead of doing your step pivot half, you're just going to cross rock, left over right, recover your weight back on that right. And then you're just going to vine back to the left. Step the left to the side, cross the right behind, step the left to the side. So So non-turning steps should you need to take out that equivalent full turn from that half figure of 8. But like I say, do try and put the turn in first, only do the non-turning steps as a last resort. So that is the end of the dance when you get to that point. Let's put it all together. Cross touch off on the right. 7, 8. Cross, touch, back, side, cross, touch, back, side. Step, pivot, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock. Side, hold, back, rock. Side, hold, back, rock. Side, behind, turn, step, pivot, turn, behind, side. So that is your dance. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Cross touch off on the right. 7, 8. Cross, touch, back, side, cross, touch, back, side. Step, pivot, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock. Side, hold, back, rock. Side, hold, back, rock. Side, behind, turn, step, pivot, turn, behind, side. Cross, touch, back, side, cross, touch, back, side. Step, pivot, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock. Side, hold, back, rock. Side, hold, back, rock. Side, behind, turn, step, pivot, turn, behind, side. Cross, touch, back, side, cross, touch, back, side. Step, pivot, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock. Side, back, rock, side, back, rock. Side, behind, turn, step, pivot, turn, behind, side. So hopefully you managed to follow all that, especially as I missed out that word, hold, on that last walk. So that is it. That is your dance and your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Cross, touch, back, side. Cross, touch, back, side. Step, pivot, cross, side, behind, side. Cross, rock, side, back, rock, side, back, rock. Side, behind, turn, step, pivot, turn, behind, side. Cross, touch, back, side. Cross, touch, back, side. Step, pivot, cross, side, behind, side. Cross, rock, side, hold, back, rock, side, back, rock. Side, behind, turn, step, pivot, turn, behind, side. Cross, touch, back, side. Cross, touch, back, side. Step, pivot, cross, side, behind, side. Cross, rock, side, back, rock, side, back, rock. Side, behind, turn, step, pivot, turn, behind, side. Cross, touch, back, side. Cross, touch, back, side. Step, pivot, cross, side, behind, side. Cross, rock, side, back, rock, side, back, rock. Side, behind, turn, step, pivot, turn, behind, side. Cross, touch, pivot, slide, figure of 8, cross touch, pivot, slide, figure of 8, cross touch,
What the hell do I do? Well, it ain't gonna drink itself, and I don't wanna be
figure of 8, cross touch, step in,
Sunday morning after Saturday night.
slide,
Bartender, pour me a shot.
figure of 8,
I swear I'm never drinking again. I'm never drinking again.
Hope you managed that one.